Scotch bonnets are both among the hottest chili peppers in the world, and they belong to the same species, but they're not the same. Here are 9 main differences between them in shape, color, heat, and more. Number 1. Shape. Scotch bonnets are stouter. Habaneros and Scotch bonnets are similar in shape. However, Scotch bonnets tend to be wider, more rounded, and more oddly shaped than habaneros. They could actually be about 1 to 2 inches in diameter. In contrast, habaneros are typically more elongated, tapered, and shaped like a lantern or a teardrop. That being said, there are different types of habaneros, so it may vary depending on the specific type. Number 2. Top part. Scotch bonnets have a flatter top, which is why they're called bonnets in the first place. In fact, they were named after the Scottish bonnets called tam o' shanter, the traditional Scottish bonnets worn by men because of the resemblance of their top part. Number 3. Surface. Scotch bonnets are more wrinkled. A ripe Scotch bonnet usually has a more wrinkly surface compared to a habanero. Number 4. Length. Habaneros may be longer. While a ripe habanero is typically 1 to 2.3 inches long, a Scotch bonnet can range from 1.5 to 2 inches long. So most habaneros are nearly an inch longer than typical Scotch bonnets, but some types of Scotch bonnets have been observed to grow up to 2.5 inches long, so it depends. Number 5. Color. Orange/red versus yellow/bright red. Habaneros are mostly orange or red, but they're green when they're unripe. Other color variants include white, yellow, chocolate brown, or black. Scotch bonnets are generally yellow or bright red at maturity, but they may range in color from green to shades of orange to brown. Number 6. Heat. Scotch bonnets are hotter. Habaneros and Scotch bonnets are in the same range in terms of heat, which is between 100,000 and 350,000 Scoville units. To put it simply, on a scale of 1 to 5, both would be 4, but Scotch bonnets are usually almost twice as hot as habaneros. That said, for reference, both of them are significantly hotter than jalapenos, which are about 4,000 to 8,500 Scoville units, and that would be 3 on a scale of 1 to 5. Number 7. Smell. Floral versus spicy. Habaneros have a distinctive floral smell, which according to some resembles the smell of apricots, while Scotch bonnets smell more spicy and fruity. Number 8. Flavor. Scotch bonnets are sweeter. Habaneros have a citrusy and sweet tropical fruit flavor with strong floral notes, while Scotch bonnets are smoky and fruity. But more importantly, despite being higher in heat level, Scotch bonnets typically have a sweeter flavor compared to habaneros. That is why they complement savory dishes perfectly, whereas habaneros pair better with fruity dishes or tropical fruits like mango because of its citrusy kick. Number 9. Availability. Habaneros are more common. The habanero is usually easier to find in supermarkets, but it's not the case for the Scotch bonnet. That being said, you might often see Scotch bonnets mislabeled as other species of peppers or simply as hot peppers, so it's crucial to know the differences. Subscribe to Food Clan for more!